Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Morgan Options, where I teach you how to trade binary options correctly. Before we start, I want to remind you that if you are subscribed to the channel and turn on notifications, you will not miss any video and you will earn with me, guys. Here I show you how to trade binary options, and here you're gonna find the most profitable and straightforward strategies. And today is not gonna be an exception. We're gonna need the following indicators. It's gonna be the ADX and the Keltner channel. There it is. And what is remarkable, we don't change anything. We keep the settings as they are. The only thing I'm gonna do is to change the color of the moving average, just for the comfort. The plus is gonna be green and the minus is gonna be red. So, what is about the strategy? Look, we got several signals to pay attention to. First of all, we look at the ADX. We're gonna watch the dynamics of moving average and then go from here. Also, we're gonna watch the touch of the lower and upper limits of the Keltner channel. Also, when the price enters the channel, we're gonna play out all this. Also, we're gonna pay attention to the support and resistance zone, updating of the local highs and lows. Well, and that we will do. All the currency pairs have been picked. There are $167 on the balance. We trade for all the money on a minute time frame, as usual. Let's get started, guys. We're gonna analyze the market first. Let's see that we got here. The price moves within the channel. Well, let's see. We're not gonna open here now. So, I like this one. Let's open a long position right away. I'm gonna explain the principle of trade entry. The first thing to notice is that the plus line is at the bottom and we expect a little pullback to the upside. Also, I wanna say that the price hit the support zone here. We see the pullback here, then some upward dynamics. The price entered the channel, after which the price broke through the channel here. Broke the channel to the downside. And we expecting the pullback, and then the price should come back inside the channel again. And basically the correction should be over by now. At least a small pullback will definitely happen. Also, we observe the downtrend here. The pullback should take place. And there it is, look at this beautiful breakout, guys, exactly as we expected. And yep, we perfectly calculated the position entry. There are literally 2 seconds left and our position has been closed in profit. And we already see a good pullback on the ADX. The first position is in profits. Let's update the trade amount and continue the trade session. Well, what do we got here? If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners. Let's open a short position here. I think we got a perfect trade entry level. And we observe the reversal on the ADX, so a small correction should take place. Basically, the moving averages are in the upper area. Previously, there was a strong upward movement. The price broke through the upper boundary of the channel, and a small correction should follow up. Also, take a look at this resistance zone, and it's very likely that the rebound will happen. So, at least a small correction should take place, guys. We count on that. Probably the price is gonna retest the upper boundary of the Keltner channel. So we'll see. And yep, look at the inception of the red candle here. There are several seconds left before closing. And yep, another profit is in my pocket. There are $556 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount. Everything is pretty simple, as you can see. I hope you already understood the principle. Well, looks promising. And we're gonna open a short position here, guys. We got a nice trade entry level, guys. First of all, we see the crossing of the plus and minus moving average on the ADX. The plus line should move down a little bit, I guess, because there was a strong upward dynamics here. Strong pullbacks did happen, after which we see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. The false breakout has happened, because we see this wick. And now we expecting the price to move lower, inside the channel again. A small correction should happen. Even according to a logic. We see, I guess, 7 consecutive green candles. And a red candle should show up, guys. Also, pay attention to this important resistance zone. We see the rejection here and there. And now is not gonna be an exception. And there we go, our position is in profits. As you can see, the red candle has eventually showed up. And we got almost $700 on the balance. Unfortunately, this currency pair has a low payout rate. I should have been more careful, but it's okay. Let's continue the trading session. Let's have a look, guys. And it makes sense to open another short here. We observe a strong bullish impulse here. We got a perfect level here. I wanna bring to your attention the crossing of the moving average on the ADX. They are heading upwards, but now we expect some downward dynamics. A plus line should go into correction. Also, we see that the price broke out of the channel here. Previously, there was a strong upward dynamics, after which a small correction did happen, and then this pullback again. The local high was updated. And by the way, here is this important resistance zone, and the downward trend should be continued. As simple as that. That's why we opened the short here. And yep, as you can see, our position has been closed in profit. And there no stopping here. Let's find another currency pair for the most promising trade entry. We're not gonna stop.
Don't stop me!
So, I think we open a long position here. Let me clarify. First of all, the crossing of moving average on the ADX. The reversal should take place. Previously, there was this downward dynamics, after which a pullback should happen. Also, the price should broke through the lower boundary of the Keltner channel. And also here we have this strong support zone. Then was a small pullback is likely to happen. The price is gonna come back inside the channel. Let's see. And yep, the breakout is happening right now. Here is the green candle. And we got a bunch of signals that the pullback should happen. And there it is. And our position is in profits. The price enters the channel again, exactly as we predicted. And we got $2,000 on the balance. Let's continue the trading session. This currency pair looks really promising. Let's take our time. And let's open two short positions here. This currency pair has a good payout rate, guys. If we look at the ADX, we see the crossing of the moving average. So, we expect to see the reversal. Basically, we observe the sideways trend on the chart. In this zone, to be exact. So the trend is indefinite. Here the touch of the upper boundary of the Keltner channel did happen, and the correction should take place now, and the price is gonna continue this sideways movement. The volatility is kind of low here. Basically, the upward trend has finished, and now the price is trying to determine its direction, because we see this double bottom pattern here. However, previously there was more upward dynamics. Let's see, and there we go, our positions have been closed in profit. However, one position ended up with zero. It doesn't matter. No big deal. Let's continue the trading session. We are gonna find another currency pair. We see the inception of the green candle. Let's open our long position here. And another 800 long. Let's see. First of all, we see that the minus line is almost at the top. The plus line is at the bottom, so this thing should be fixed. The correction to the upside should happen after all. There was this huge dump. The price broke through the lower boundary of the channel. The price started going down, after which the support level play out. And there were several rebounds in the past. And the same thing is gonna happen now. The pullback should happen. And yep, the green candle has already shown up. There are literally 5 seconds left before the closing. Let's watch the price movement. You can already see the reversal on the ADX. And yep, our position has been closed in profits. There is no stopping here. Let's continue making money, guys. Find another promising position entry. Well, what do we got here? I think it makes sense to open a short here. I think we got lucky here. We got a great entry level. First of all, we see that the ADX moving average is at the bottom. There was the crossing of the plus and minus lines, so then we should definitely observe some downward dynamics in the short term. Basically, we see more sideways movement in this zone. You can see this sideways. And here is the false breakout from the Keltner channel, after which we would see the correction to the downside. Actually, the touch took place here and there. And the correction follow up every time, so we count on that. We can also point out this resistance zone. And there we go! Our positions have been closed in profits. Let's continue, guys, and open our final positions. And then we fix the profit. If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners. We have some kind of accumulation zone here, but anyway, it makes sense to open our short positions. We got a great entry level here, lucky for us. Take a look at the reversal on the ADX. The ADX moving average is at the peak level now. The correction is gonna happen. And also the minus line is at the bottom, and this should be fixed. The downtrend dynamics should take place. And I suppose the price reached the support level, and then the price should go into correction. As simple as that. The price broke out the Keltner here, and then we see the rebound here, and I guess the price should retest the upper boundary of the Keltner channel. And yep, look at this perfect trade entry level. And here's the inception of the red candle here. There are several seconds left, and there we go. Our positions are in profits. There are $12,000 on my balance. Perfect outcome. And let's withdraw the money. I think it's gonna be enough for today. So let's withdraw the money. I think we withdraw $12,700 to my BTC wallet. And I'm gonna put down the code. And there we go. Our transaction is being processed. I'll attach the screen as usual. Guys, I hope you understood how to trade binary options with this strategy and enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and Telegram channel and ask your question. And good luck, guys. See you soon.